Hey fam, I just did a video and it came out a little wonky because it was my first time trying to do like a screen record with my voice and all that, and I had to do the filming of my picture in the little square like a few times. And but anyways, I just wanted to do an introduction to it. It's just a short 5-minute review on Vincent's Quantum Affirmations, which I listen to every day, with the quantum high frequency tones laid over the affirmations, daily affirmations. And Asia in our Babes Mastermind, she gave us an assignment of doing a 5-minute video and giving our 10 favorite affirmations from the quantum affirmation recordings. So that is what you're going to see. I just wanted to do an introduction to it. So I hope you like it. It hopefully won't be as wonky next time. Thanks. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, I think this is recording, guys. I'm not positive though. You double check. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to use 2 apps at once to do this recording. All right, let me see. React to videos. My recordings. I'm not sure this is working, but I am going to try it. And what I want to do is I want to read you my 10 favorite lines from Vincent Ortega's Quantum Affirmations recordings that have quantum tones and affirmations, and I listen to them daily. And my first favorite is, "This is my God-defined path. Right now, this is exactly where I am meant to be." That is my first favorite. "I can make it to the top. People are drawn to me like moths to a flame. The customers I desire are attracted to me and find me first, and they want what I have got to give, and they are seeking me out on a daily basis." That was more than one sentence, but that's my second favorite line. Okay, "Every day I am appreciating the little things because I know they will manifest into bigger things." The next one, "I am aligned with the frequency of passive income. Wealth is within me always. Financial abundance is my birthright." "I am aware and conscious of my ability to co-create my life with the source of all that is." "I am allowing my vision to pull me. I am focused and determined. I am able to have pinpoint attention and be open to intuition at the same time. I am a brilliant human being." Let's see. "I can really have, be, or do anything I put my mind to because I know where my attention goes, my energy flows." "Every day I'm appreciating that I have a choice in how I use my time, my talents, and skills to elevate people's lives." "Right now, this is exactly where I am meant to be." I think that's 10. There might be one more. "I feel blessed." I almost said stressed. "I feel blessed to be able to do what I love and get paid to do it." That's the 10th one. What I did was overlays, typography overlays. Oh, and this is a poem I wrote about the quantum informations. "We are truly blessed and we rock with the best. Our mentor is awesome, as each of us can attest. With his quantum affirmations and the power of suggest, he has transformed our mindset and laid our doubts and fears to rest. Because we took action in ourselves, we did invest. We have leveled up now. We are a step above the rest. We put in the work. God has put us to the test. We are in it to win it. No more second guess. On the radio, we will spin it. It's our time to manifest success. When you rock with master creators and bull runners, you're rocking with the best. I had written that when we were just master creators, but that was about the quantum affirmations. So hopefully this came out all right. It was supposed to be a 5-minute review of Vincent Ortega's quantum affirmations, which reprogram our energy centers and our neural pathways in our brain to be high frequency, positive vibrations. And they have tunes, different quantum tones that go along with the affirmations. He says the affirmations over the tones. Let me see if this video came out, and then I will finish up. Bear with me 1 second here. Let's see.